Hey everyone. Today we're diving into a high-stakes battle brewing in Washington: Trump versus Dellinger. Let's break it down. So here's the deal. President Trump fired Hampton Dellinger, the head of the Office of Special Counsel, in February 2025. Now, you might be thinking, why does this matter? Well, Dellinger's position comes with congressionally mandated protections. Basically, he can't just be fired without cause before his 5-year term ends. But Trump wasn't having any of that. He went ahead and dismissed Dellinger, and that's where things get spicy. A federal district court stepped in and temporarily blocked the firing. The D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals upheld this block. Now, the Justice Department is appealing to the Supreme Court. Here's where it gets really interesting. The Justice Department is calling this block an unprecedented assault on the separation of powers. They argue that it forces the president to keep someone he doesn't trust. This case is Trump's first second-term appeal to reach the Supreme Court, and it's all about executive branch power. Some of the conservative justices on the Supreme Court have shown support for expanded presidential control, but the case's preliminary nature poses a challenge. Temporary restraining orders are generally not appealable, making this situation pretty unique. The D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals, in a 2-1 decision, dismissed the administration's request for a stay on the block. Judges Childs and Pan, both Biden appointees, voted to dismiss, while Judge Katsas, a Trump appointee, dissented. This decision argues that reviewing a temporary restraining order would be inconsistent with governing legal standards and ill-advised. Dellinger's lawsuit, along with others from fired officials, challenges the president's power to remove independent agency heads. This is partly based on a 1935 Supreme Court ruling, which allows Congress to establish for-cause protections for independent agency board members. The Justice Department under Trump sees these protections as unconstitutional. Now, what does the Office of Special Counsel actually do? Unlike special counsels overseeing politically sensitive Justice Department investigations, the OSC addresses whistleblower retaliation claims. So this isn't just a political game, it has real implications for government accountability. As we wait for the Supreme Court to weigh in, the stakes couldn't be higher. This case could redefine the limits of presidential power and reshape the landscape of federal agency independence. So, what do you think? Should the president have more control over firing independent agency heads? Or do these protections serve an important purpose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And that's a wrap for today. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.